Hey guys, this is Abhishek VJ. This is my workspace for, this is assignment 2, using developer tools. This is my Cloud9 workspace, as you can see. This is my index.html file. This is my script.javascript file, and this is my style sheet. Okay, so let's start off by running this file. So save and stop, and then run this file. You're gonna have to bear with me here because my computer is really slow. Sometimes it like lags on me, but okay. So once you start it up, it asks you for your name, so you enter your name, and then it asks you to enter the number 10. Those are the logs, and then as you can see here, you have this is my web page that I created. It's called Introduction to Loops, and the first part has the for loop, and the second part has the while loop. Now I'll show you how you can use developer tools to change divs, disable divs, and create divs. So you go to More Tools and then hit Dev Tools, and then you have this part that pops up. You can see right here, this is my console logs. Here's Abhishek, my name, and then here's the number 10 that I entered. Here's the elements, and then sources. Let me refresh this real quick so my JavaScript file shows up here. Abhishek 10, so here's my JavaScript file. To change and mess with divs, you go to elements. It shows you when you scroll, go through, when you hover over this, it shows you which part is selected. So the body is the whole part. Div 1, part 1, part 2, and part 3. That's what I named them. Let's see, how can I mess with this? So I'll click on part 1. That's my header, Introduction to Loops. Let me go and change this to something, I don't know, what am I gonna say? Yo, welcome to web design. Then you hit enter, and as you can see here, it changes to yo, welcome to web design. Over here you see it shows you the padding, margins, all that stuff. I can disable divs right here. You can see background color is yellow. If I click this, it gets rid of that, and then it goes to purple. I can maybe, let's say I want to change the color. Let's see, I'll change it to red. It changes to red, so that's how you can manipulate, change, and disable divs. Okay, so now I'll show you where you can find errors. Before I do that, I'm gonna have to create an error. So let me go back to my file. I'll go to my script.js file. What can I do here? Let's say I remove a curly bracket right here. So I'm gonna do that, save, and I'm gonna stop, run this file. Crap, my bad. Run this file. So here's the, wait, never mind, hold on, let me refresh this. Let me try again. As you can see, the loops don't come up because I removed those curly brackets. So let's see where we can find the error. So go back to DevTools. Go to console, and here it shows you where your missing error is. So go to go to sources. Hold on, let me refresh this so the JavaScript file comes up. There's your JavaScript file, and it shows you there's an extra curly bracket, which means you're missing one. So I can enter that right there. And then you can run this. Now, yeah, that just shows you where your error is. Shows you line 11, extra curly bracket. So that's how you figure out where your errors are. Let me show you how I can create a breakpoint in the file. But first, let me add the curly brackets back to my file. So it's right there. File, save, hit stop, go back to index, run this file. Alright, so I have to refresh this. About here it is. It's working again. Now let me create a breakpoint, and let's see how that affects the file. So DevTools, so let me refresh this. Check 10. So let's go to my script file. Let's make a breakpoint right at number 8. So none of the loops run. So right here, there's a breakpoint. You can see that right here, where your breakpoint is. So let me stop running this file. So average. So now you can see it's paused in the debugger, and see right here, if you can see on the right side, it shows you the breakpoint is at line 8. So line 8 is where the loop starts, the for loop, and so none of this happens, and like it shows you this. So a cool thing we can do is you can observe how the variables change while it's paused in the debugger. So what you do now is you hit pause, and then it shows you the variables right here. And right now, I is set at 10, and J is undefined right now, but because we're still up here. But it shows you like my name is Abhishek. That's what I put in the console. The number is 10 right now. That's the number that I also inserted in the console. And right now it shows you where the breakpoint is. So once you keep hitting refresh, you can see over here that it runs like step by step. So you keep hitting refresh, and then right here the first number pops up, and then it goes all the way back up to the front. And now right now it's at 10. So once I clicking this, it's gonna go to 9, go to 8, keep clicking, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then now it goes to the while loop, and then it goes 1, 2, 3. You know how that goes. So yeah, now I'll show you a website that uses Ajax, whatever. I I said IX because I watch soccer. There's a soccer team that's called. It's pronounced IX, even though it's spelled exactly like Ajax. So let me close this. Open up a new page. Let's see, Yahoo.com. Come on. So here's Yahoo.com. To see how the Ajax files are on, you go to Developer Tools again. Come on, why are you so slow? Yeah, there it is. You go to, I think you go to Network. Yeah, go to Network, and this shows you all the files that are being requested by Ajax on Yahoo.com. It shows you how long it takes for all these files to load, and yeah, as you scroll down, more and more things are going to pop up over here because more files are being requested, and they're all taking a long time, like 30 milliseconds or whatever, because my computer is really slow and my Wi-Fi stinks. So yeah, there's that. Now let me show you something cool that we can do with this in developer tools that we didn't go over in class. So I was like doing some research, and a cool thing that you can do with developer tools without that we didn't learn in class is right over here on the top next to elements. You can it shows you different types of what's the word I'm looking for, like it shows you a simulation of your page based on what kind of device that you want to use, like mobile devices. So you have iPhone 6 Plus, you know, it's a very big screen, very large, and then let's go down to an iPhone 6, and then it shows you the resolutions and how your page would look like on different mobile devices. You got Nexus, Galaxy S5, which is a big phone. So I thought that was pretty cool, and yeah, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.